tiny shrimp has a huge sneeze.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. In case you didn't know, a shrimp has the ability to sneeze.
Wait, really? Guys, I've never had shrimp. Ow!
A police officer told
Isn't a shrimp like a small
their dog
lobster,
to
right?
attack the suspect, but the dog was a little confused because they couldn't find anyone threatening.
Put your hands up back of your head now!
What?
Right now! Fora! Fora! Hey, Rocco, here! Here! Hit!
Wait, was it supposed to attack this guy?
Rocco, here!
This is what happens when the biggest
so
plane in the world
stupid.
flies through clouds.
Wait, what? It moved the whole clouds. Well, that looks so cool. It's like a divide, man. Oh, a little cat. Guys, you know what's funny? Cats have 0 fall damage, bro. They can drop from like the top of the Eiffel Tower and they won't take any damage. Oh no! No!
Let it go!
Why you come and eat my food?
Guys, they're scary. Pigeons are scary, man.
These police officers got themselves
So
some
scary.
really cool new scooters.
Oh, he on the grass with it. Oh, all
Oh,
terrain. You
damn.
ain't gonna stop them.
Oh, sir!
That's embarrassing, though. I've never been snowboarding. Oh, okay. Out of all the places he could have fell, he fell right in the mud. It's just not your day, man. I'm sorry.
Hello!
What is that? Is this a deer? Is this a deer? Hey, why are you looking at me like
A few
this?
years ago, an
Chill
astronaut
out,
snuck a
man.
gorilla suit onto the International Space Station.
What? That actually looks sick, though. Guys, imagine just be able to fly around like this. That'd be so cool. Guys, you know when you're in a... Look, you see all these wires and stuff? Are these important? Like, if you broke one of these, would it, like, the whole ship, like, explode? Bro, I would accidentally, like, knock one of these wires or something, man. And, like, the whole ship will explode. Oh, is that a corgi?
True.
It's called a corgi, right? And, like, the dog. That's what the queen has, a corgi. Ooh, is that another dog? What is he doing? Oh no, is it a cat?
Here's a video I found of giant tortoises moving at full speed.
What? Are these real? They look like dinosaurs, man. Jesus Christ, these things are massive. You guys, could you ride on these? Like, sit
The
on
video's
them?
ending now. Goodbye.
Imagine, like, riding these into battle, man. That would be sick. Like, in, like, the prehistoric. You ride one of these big turtles into the battle, man. And you charge at them with, like, spears. Do. That would be so cool. Cool video, though, man. Good video.